He's going after that hole in my britches. Now don't go after nothing right there, Blackjack. You can go after that hole all you want to. He's wanting to play, watch him. I love you too, buddy. That's how a cat shows love, is nibbling on their buddy. Now watch him. You're a good boy. I'm just petting you. He said, I'm not here for pets. I'm here for plays right now. Are you playful, Blackjack? Are you playful? This is totally new to me. Watch you. You're a good boy, Blackjack. He don't want petted, he just wants to play. But that's alright with me. Just watch him claws, dude. Watch him claws. Good boy. Ooh. He's finally comfortable enough to play with me. That's awesome. What is it? What is it? What is it, buddy? What is it, Blackjack? You can get that foots. And now he's chewing on my shoe. Now he's just gonna lay on my shoe. Get it, Blackjack. I was just sitting here thinking about things I shouldn't be thinking about. By myself with no company, and God sent him to get me off of it, get my mind off of it. My foot's big as he is. Maybe bigger. Blackjack's coming up on a year old. If you're sitting beside of me. such a beautiful boy. Yes, you are. Look how shiny his coat is. Oh! You got some big old claws. He could put a hurting on a man if he wanted to. He's strong too. You can feel his muscles all through his body. Oh, that was your own tail. Now he's attacking his own tail. Is it war with your tail? That's part of you, Blackjack. Oh, get it. Get it. He's feeling good. Say, I'm feeling good, Daddy. I can endure a little bit of pain so he can have fun. I don't mind that a bit. Pain's a state of mind. Well, there he goes. I love everybody. Good night to yous.